Leaders and innovators are converging in Nairobi, Kenya for the Connected Africa Summit, which is ongoing with a shared mission to bridge the digital divide and make affordable internet connectivity across the continent. Now, Safaricom CEO Peter Ndegwa, who is a key player at the summit, emphasized the importance of collaboration. Now, joining forces with the international community, this is aimed at unlocking Africa's economic potential by ensuring widespread internet access. This summit will delve deeper into the plans and partnerships that will shape a more connected future.
We must address the issue of affordability of both devices and digital services, either through promotion of local production, as we've done here in Kenya through the local assembly plant, or creating policies that promote growth in the industries with low entry costs. So in closing, the state of technology in Kenya and in Africa is one of optimism and opportunity. We are leading the way in many areas, especially around fintech. We can reflog the rest of the world by partnering together to create the opportunity for private sector to work with government in a way that is unprecedented. By leveraging our leadership in technology, fostering connectivity, addressing access barriers, advancing fintech, nurturing partnerships, and supporting innovation.
You need to have cities or towns bigger than 10,000 for it to be commercially viable for commercial operators to invest in it. And in Africa, many townships or villages, they are a lot smaller, so there are no incentives for the private operators to come in. And that's where we in Finland as well, we come in and help and to give connectivity to rural areas. That's our focus. We want so that to bridge the digital gap.
Now, the Commission for Revenue Authority, CRA,